We asked, you voted, so here goes. Here's the games of the generation voted by you. Number 10. Super Mario Galaxy on the Nintendo Wii. The first proper Mario title in Nintendo's Wii hit stores in November 2007 and still has one of the highest Metacritic ratings of the generation, sitting at 97. Number 9.
A few weeks ago, I was happily sulking by my swimming pool. What do you want?
Just came by to see if there's something I can help you with.
I'm retired. My psychotic best friend shows up out of nowhere. Nobody tells me what I want!
Grand Theft Auto
Torture me
5.
over mistakes I made over
Back
a
in
decade
September,
ago.
Grand Theft Auto 5 became the fastest selling
game?
entertainment property of all
guess.
time, reaching $1 billion in just 3 days.
Welcome back, man.
Number 8. Red Dead Redemption. Rockstar's sequel to the 2004 Red Dead Revolver, players take on the role of John Marston, a former outlaw, as he tracks down and brings to justice his old gang. Number 7. The BIOSHOCK series. We got our first look at Rapture back in August 2007, where the first-person shooter was met with universal praise for its unique setting and morality-based storyline. Fast forward to 2013, where March brought us BIOSHOCK Infinite, where our lead character, DeWitt, is sent to a floating city, Colombia, in order to rescue Elizabeth, a girl who's been kept captive for most of her life.
But I'm afraid of you.
God only knows what I'd be without you. Oh.
Number 6.
Of those dear hearts and gentle people who live in my hometown.
Fallout 3 and New Vegas. Bethesda's open world title sees players traverse through Washington DC 200 years after a nuclear apocalypse. And Liam Neeson's your dad.
From Friday till Monday, that's how the weekend goes. I've got a dream of building.
Number 5.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out
The Gears of War series.
worn out faces.
The game I originally bought an Xbox 360 for. The game's lead protagonist is Marcus Phoenix, who's voiced by John DiMaggio, you probably know as Bender from Futurama.
To the right!
Gears of War is still in the top 5 best-selling games on the Xbox 360.
Take out all these bastards with one shot.
Number 4.
But there's one they fear.
The Elder Scrolls 4 and 5.
Dovahkiin, Dragonborn.
Bethesda's said over 10 million copies of the game have been sold so far, and it's even spawned some really annoying internet memes. Number 3.
My end is near. In my final hour, I commend my soul
Naughty
to
Dog's
God.
Uncharted
May
series.
He have mercy on this unholy place.
After first being
Francis
unearthed back in
Drake.
2007, Nathan Drake, the modern-day adventurer,
So
quickly
what were you
became the
looking
poster
for?
child for Sony's monolithic black console. And it's easy to see why, incredible graphics, an engaging storyline, and one of the best third-person action titles to ever hit the system. We're not sure what Naughty Dog has up its sleeves for the next generation, but we hope it's more Nathan Drake. Number 2.
We face extinction. A rogue soldier leads an unstoppable force.
BioWare's Mass Effect trilogy.
And only you stand in his way.
Mass Effect sees players take on Commander Shepard as he tries to save the universe from an unknown threat known as the Reapers.
Don't you understand? You've lost. Everyone you know and love. Everyone, you will all die.
Let's finish this!
And finally, number 1.
We won't get another shot at this.
And the ShopTo Game of the Generation, voted by you, is
On Earth to the Fireflies.
Naughty Dog's The Last of Us.
Talking about some walk in the park here.
They're coming.
I know.
At least they're predictable. It's the normal people that scare me.
Let's get a move on.